If you have clothes that are hidden at the back of your closet or stuffed in a pile in the corner of your room because they have a rip in them, it's missing a button, or there's just something else wrong with them, so you think, I'm never going to wear these, don't get rid of them quite yet, because I have put together an absolutely awesome little free course here right on YouTube to help you mend and repair those items instead of getting rid of them and replacing them. And my lovely little Repair Your Clothes course comes with a free guide that has everything in it that you could possibly need, such as what to put in your little sewing kit, the most important stitches you need to learn, along with how to do them, plus all of the videos that I have curated into this course playlist. And you know what? Why don't we just get started repairing instead of replacing? I'm Refashionista Sheri, and I show you how to use what you have to make what you want. So click those links below and get repairing.